importing data into Pandas Dataframe and querying it. The provided code demonstrates various operations performed on a Pandas Dataframe loaded from a CSV file. Let's break down each step and add the additional modifications. The demonstration uses the California Housing Test CSV dataset, which is found in the Google Colab samples. A reference for obtaining this data can be found on the SQLandPy.com website. So the first thing we do is we import the pandas as PD, and then we will read this file into this data frame. Now that's the code here for doing this, and then this outputs it. So in this step, what did we do? The pandas library is first imported, and the read_CSV function is used to load the data from the specified CSV file, which is at this location here, and the loaded data is assigned to the variable df, which represents the data frame. Finally, the data frame is displayed by calling df. Now if we type B, click on here and type B, then we get a new cell, and we will now select certain specified columns. So here, what we have done, the df data frame is accessed using square brackets, double square brackets actually, to select some specific columns. The columns are longitude, latitude, and housing medium age that are chosen by passing them as a list of column names. This operation returns a subset of the original data frame that contains only the selected columns. And now we will add a restriction. Let's go in here and type B again to get a new cell below. So what will this do? The code here is a restriction on the output to only the top 5 rows. The .head5 method is added to the previously selected columns, and this method returns the first 5 rows of the data frame, combining both the column selection and the row restriction. Now we're going to do some order by, what we would know in SQL as an order by clause. To sort the data frame based on columns, the sort_values method is used. The columns to be sorted are specified in a list, and the list is containing housing medium, age, and latitude. The ascending parameter is set to true, false to sort housing median age in ascending order latitude in descending order. This method is chained after the previous operations to sort the restricted data frame. And we can put all of these into a large piece of code here, and it would be like this. But of course, some things would need to be commented out, and these are just comments here. And we could add a restriction here. We could put it into another column, into another variable here that we call top 5 rows, and we could then sort the data frame, and we would display the data frame, and that would all work. And the final output of the sorted data frame would be here. This code imports the data, selects the desired columns, restricts it to the top 5 rows, and then sorts the resulting data frame by the specified columns. Finally, it displays the sorted data frame.